Guys, I want to show you how to unlock the screen password on the G22, as you can see here, but this procedure also works for other models, okay? The customer left it here, forgot the password, doesn't remember it anymore. So let's remove it quickly, alright? You're going to press the volume down button and the power button together. Wait for the device to restart. Release the volume down and press the volume up as soon as it restarts. Let's wait. It restarted. Release the volume down, press the volume up. It showed here, look, the mode, the option. We're going to go here. Let me see. Here, recovery mode. On the first option here, okay? Leave it on the first option. Let me see if it's the volume down. I just blanked out for a second. Yes, to confirm it's the volume down, alright? Recovery mode. Let's go. Done. On some models, when you get to this screen here, you just have to wait and it will already go back and it will go to the recovery screen, okay? But if it doesn't enter, press the power button and give a click on the minus button, alright? Or a click on the plus button actually, and the power button. Let's first press the plus button and then one click on the power button. It didn't work, so plus and one click on the power button, see? It's the plus and one click on the power button. Now we're going to scroll down to the option here. Look, wipe data, factory reset, and confirm with the power button. Okay? Scroll down again, confirm once more. Let's wait for the information to finish loading here. Just a little longer so we can continue with the unlocking process. Let's wait. Here it's loading. Okay, guys? Keep going, keep waiting. Some models do take a little longer, okay? In just a moment, it will come up here. In just a moment, it will load. Let's wait. In the meantime, just keep waiting. This doesn't mean that this will happen with all models. This here, okay. Some take a little longer, others a little less. As you can see here. And let's wait. Let's see when it happens. When it comes back here, it will go to a screen similar to the previous one. Then you just confirm on the first option by pressing the power button. After you have completed that step, it will be restored and fully unlocked for all of your settings. Here, it will already be unlocked, alright? I'm gonna pause here, so the video doesn't get too long until it comes back. Like I said, guys, it's back. Here, you press the power button one more time, and that's it, the procedure is done. Alright, that was today's video. I hope I helped. Thank you, take care.